Put a sock on your broom and discover a brilliant trick that will save you time and money. All you need is a regular broom and a sock that fits over its head. Now grab your favorite fabric softener. It has a surprising use. Pour a little onto the sock and spread it evenly on both sides. This simple hack will turn your broom into a powerful cleaning tool. Run it over your carpet, and you'll see how effectively it picks up dust, pet hair, and other small debris. Your carpet will be cleaner, fresher, and won't require expensive cleaning. The sock also works great on walls, as its soft texture easily removes dust and cobwebs from hard-to-reach places. A broom with a fabric softener sock is also perfect for mopping floors, especially in tight corners. Plus, fabric softener has anti-static properties, so dust settles more slowly. This method is simple, effective, and budget-friendly. No need for costly carpet cleaning, expensive detergents, or new accessories. Just a sock, a broom, and a little fabric softener. I learned the secret to perfectly shiny floors from a hotel housekeeper. Ever since then, the laminate in my house always looks like it's been polished. Grab your mop bucket and toss in a few ice cubes. The cold helps refresh the surface and makes cleaning easier later on. Now, for laundry pods. 4 is enough. Crush them in your hands. These little pods are packed with concentrated cleaning agents and are great at tackling buildup. Throw in some scent beads to fill the mix with a lasting, fresh aroma that stays in the room for a long time. Next, add a little laundry detergent. It cuts through grease, handles daily dirt great, and leaves the floor feeling smooth. Now, time for toilet disinfectant. It has strong cleaning power and refreshing properties, so it works on tougher grime and neutralizes odors. Pour hot water over everything so the ingredients blend well. Dunk the mop in, let it soak thoroughly, then wring it out really well. Now just mop the floor as usual. 0 streaks, 0 dull spots, just a clean, shiny finish like a professional cleaning job. Finally, pour the water down the toilet. That dirt just proves your floor has been deeply cleaned. This is the secret hotels use to keep their mattresses perfectly clean. Since I discovered this trick, my mattress has stayed spotless, disinfected, and smelling fresh. In a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. It's well known for its disinfecting and antibacterial properties, removing microbes while neutralizing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. This helps dissolve dirt and makes cleaning more effective. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt has antibacterial and antifungal properties, absorbs moisture, and eliminates bad smells. The next ingredient is baking soda, a natural deodorizer that absorbs moisture while gently cleaning and refreshing. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water and mix well. Take a clean towel, soak it in the mixture, and squeeze out the excess liquid. Place the slightly damp towel on the mattress. Wrap a hairdryer with the towel and use it only on low power, always making sure the fabric is damp, not wet. This method deeply cleans the mattress, removes bacteria, freshens it up, and restores a pleasant scent. Give this simple trick a try. This is the ultimate secret to a spotless couch. All stains and dirt vanish instantly. Furniture and cleaning product manufacturers would rather keep this trick hidden. Start by preparing a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It effectively eliminates bacteria and germs. Then add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Toothpaste not only whitens, but also cleans deeply, thanks to its mild abrasives and fluoride content that help remove stubborn stains. The next ingredient is fabric softener. Add 2 tablespoons. It not only gives the fabric a pleasant scent, but also softens the material and refreshes its texture, making your couch look like new. Finally, pour in some water and mix everything well until it forms a smooth solution. Soak a clean towel or cloth in the mixture, then wring it out well. It should be just slightly damp, not dripping wet. Place the cloth over the stained area of the couch and set an iron in the center. Wrap the cloth securely around the iron and gently press the surface. You won't need to dry anything. The heat from the iron dries the fabric as it cleans. Now, Your couch is clean, dry, fresh, and free of bacteria. I sprinkle it on the old creaky floor. I bought it for a few pounds at the pharmacy. It solved the annoying problem of creaky panels. I wish I had known about this trick earlier. Over the years, wooden floors and panels start to come apart. Holes form under the boards, causing them to move. Walking on the old floor often produces unpleasant creaking. It turns out that these holes can be easily filled, the places where gaps or creaking appear. Generously sprinkle ordinary talcum powder. Sprinkle a lot so that it fills the holes. Sprinkle it along the seams of the boards, then press it in with your hand. It should get into the gaps in the floor. Repeat the process until the floor stops moving. Next, sweep off the excess talcum powder from the boards. This powder reduces friction between the floor elements. Talc is used in industry as a filling component. It is simple and safe to use. Finally, wipe the floor with a damp cloth to get rid of the white residue. And that's it. The panels no longer make a sound. Your windows will be spotless thanks to using a sanitary pad. All you need is a regular mop and one pad. Remove the pad from its packaging and stick it onto the mop. The surface of the pad absorbs water and dirt perfectly. Spray it with your favorite glass cleaner and wash all the windows in your home. This method allows you to reach even hard-to-access high places. The pad effectively soaks up excess liquid, leaving your windows shiny and streak-free. It works better than many professional tools. This way, you can quickly and easily clean all your windows without any effort. I have a clever trick for you regarding bathroom cleaning. It's something extraordinary. It involves a simple candle. I'm in a new bathroom, and as you can see, we have a lot of tiles here. And where there are tiles, there are grout lines. Lots of grout lines. On the walls and on the floor. If you also have such a bathroom at home, then this video is for you. I used to spend entire weekends cleaning all these grout lines. But not anymore, thanks to this simple trick, which turned out to be the best thing I've discovered recently. I like burning candles in the bathroom. So here's a simple trick you can do with it. Take a candle, preferably white. I don't recommend red or any intense color. By using this trick, you'll save a lot of time. The candle has a rim at the end. See what happens when you press it against the grout. All you have to do is rub the grout with this end of the candle. A layer of wax will remain on the grout, sealing it tightly. The candle creates a hydrophobic coating. It repels water. As a result, mold, which likes to settle there, won't be able to penetrate the cement. Do it carefully. Cover the entire grout line with a thin layer of wax. I can't believe I've never done this before. Now, I'll cover all these grout lines with a candle. I'll spend more time on it this time. As a result, I won't have to clean them so often later. There will be no mold. Dirt won't penetrate the grout. They'll be clean and, above all, white for a very long time. So, wipe the grout with a candle in the bathroom, and you'll also achieve this amazing effect.